Today I am challenging myself if I can dodge the whole balls. Let's see if I can dodge. Oh, it's so fast. Oh, whoa, what the heck is that? What? I don't know what happened. Let's see again. Oh, again. I don't know what happened. Let's see. Oh, I was so close. No. Okay, go. Go.